Ang kagandahan, wala kasing pruweba. Walang nagsasalita. There is no proof on it. Now there is. Look at pulburon video ng Marcos admin. Look at how paano nabaliw si ex-president Rodrigo Roa Duterte ninyo. Look at how you guys are. Look at how paano nyo binangag yung without even thinking na mahirap ang trabaho niya. You are so rude. R-U-D-E. Rude. Oh. And one day, it will be revealed. It will all be revealed. How? Hindi dirty. You are really maitim. Now, your ex-president is lutang. And now, you have bangag na president. Magsipag, ano ka naman,